Okay, guys, so here we are today with another Tesla video, and once again, we've been trading flat basically for a couple days now. So this is basically a multi-day flat session where basically are not up or down, less than 1%. So really not a lot of room here to make any money trading the stock or selling options. But I did just come across an interesting news article talking about some not so good signs coming from Tesla stock. So this article was posted on oilprice.com. It says Tesla's global car production has officially fallen to zero. So posted by Zero Hedge, it says the double whammy for Elon Musk, the embattled CEO who has mostly been focused on his recent $700 million payday, um, it now officially has zero vehicle production lines up and running. So the Fremont factory has been shut down as a result of the ongoing lockdown in Alameda County, but now the company's Shanghai plant is also shut down. The company told workers to extend their ongoing Labor Day break for a couple of days and didn't make clear why it was doing so. So it says one Chinese stated that component shortages could be the reason for the shutdown. In addition to having trouble sourcing some parts, there was also talk about a piece of manufacturing equipment being fixed. So, guys, as of right now, the company is not producing any cars, basically anywhere, which is not a great sign, and it's going to make it so much harder for them to turn a profit in Q2, which is what we need for it to get S&P 500 inclusion. So it also says, if you take a look here, it says back in California, Tesla was rumored yesterday for preparing to spin up its Fremont factory, potentially in violation of the county's shelter-in-place orders. And then it says, recall just days ago, we noted that Musk could qualify for a $700 million stock-based compensation award we highlighted last week, just days after Musk hacked more than $10 off his own stock price by treating that his share price was too high. So here we are. The Shanghai factory is now shut down, and it seems like they're trying to open the Fremont factory either this week or next week, but that's not necessarily guaranteed because California is one of the one of the states that is most affected by the whole coronavirus situation. So basically, this is a wait and see situation, and this is probably one of the reasons why Tesla stock has hit so much resistance at around $800 without any production going on. It's going to be pretty difficult for them to keep posting these amazing numbers that keep beating Wall Street estimates. So, and now I can see why some people might be interested in taking profit. You feel like you're up a bit and you don't, and with the production. So, guys, I'm still holding on to my shares. I'm not really knowing what to make of this news. I'm hoping that this is a temporary thing and not like a long-term problem that has to do with China. Hopefully, they'll get the Shanghai factory back open. But I think it's really important to think long-term here and not get too scared out of the stock. Although this is a good time profits if you guys are up big on Tesla stock. So that's about it for today's video, guys. And but it is slowly uptrending. So for you guys that 500 like I did, congrats, you guys. I would just probably hold on and ride the wave. But for some of you guys out there that picked it up very cheap at around 350 or 400, it might be time to take some of the profit. Tesla shares, when they move fast. So, at a time right now, we're just looking at a slow but continuous uptrend. We're hoping that those things can get back on track, but be prepared for a downturn in the stock price. It could happen if those factories stay closed, they're not able to produce vehicles, and they're going to be pretty bad since we're almost halfway through the quarter, and those factories have been, the California's been factory has been closed the entire Q2. So if the production at least have posted a decent quarter, otherwise it might be time to put some stop in place to protect your positions or be prepared to buy some put options to hedge in case the stock. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this Tesla video. Like I said, another flat day for Tesla stock, but we're still up big from weeks, so I'm not complaining. So that enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel. I post a video on Tesla every Monday through Friday on weekdays, and smash that red subscribe button to get future updates from my channel. So that's it for now, guys. Until next time, take care.